So we are finally here at the fitting. Cars behind the camera, Felipe, May, and Charity, aka Bay. I already know. It's on the way, so you know we had to hit him with the remix. On the way, it's on the way, so you know I had to hit him. Super excited. This is one of the pre-show looks that we are going to be doing. Yeah, I'm really excited. I just tried on my presenting look and my red carpet look, and I don't know, I'm gonna have to take a break after this because these last 3 years, this man had me looking so good. I'm gonna want to spend $1 million next though.
We already have.
For real, $2 million. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I love everything so much. Felipe G the stylist, he's literally the best.
Yo, those are cute too, though.
Yeah, right?
Those are cute. Talking about your feet was hurting today. Boy, get ready.
Girl, my feet go good.
That looks like a ballerina shoe.
Yeah, it is.
It's very cutesy.
I love it. And I'm going to be so comfortable. Felipe said I would stop eating.
Huh?
Felipe said I would stop eating till Saturday. Like, yes. Oh, yes, guys. I have been instructed by my stylist to stop eating until Saturday after the show.
We literally didn't eat today and it almost passed out.
Yeah, that's pretty much life on the road with me. You gotta make sure you eat before we start working. Otherwise, turn on you, Kirst. How do you feel about that?
I had a bagel this morning.
Abuse.
Charity did it.
Yeah, I definitely did. But sometimes I can't eat until like this.
Yeah.
I've been stressing. I've been stressed.
Well, you're doing a great job.
I'm killing it, babe. Thanks for everybody.
And you got Cordell looking fly, boy. You done did your thug.
That's, I'm telling you, Felipe.
She said, when she saw her there, she said, is that you or Felipe? She said, he said Felipe. She said,
Absolutely, baby. Oh, this is you and it's giving body for real.
It is. It's giving body and it's still giving class.
Don't breathe too much. It's wild.
Yeah, girl, we know that you hang
It's
right
a
there.
look, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Do you love this?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Zippers back on the arms. This gonna be a slow walk. This ain't no rushing. Like, got to hurry up. This is.
Trying to figure out what my pose should be on this. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, or should I?
I'll just keep it like just maybe your legs, like, and your shoulders. That's pretty much all you can do.
Okay.
This is sick.
Sick. Like literally sick. Hey.
You ready?
Actually, here.
Oh, I thought you were about to tell me something.
No, I'm giving you a kiss. I love it.
All right, so yo,
Okay.
stand straight up and your arms behind you.
Like this?
Yeah.
Or like more behind?
Yeah, like right there.
Okay.
That's good. Not going. You ain't got to hold your body, but just.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Just slow down when you get too heavy.
A little too excited. Oh, y'all, we gotta practice walking in this dress. You ain't got a real dress until you gotta practice in that mug. What are we talking about, Felipe? Let's do it again. Felipe teaching me how to walk in my dress. This is epic. Okay. So all jokes aside, for the front, I just need to take small steps.
Just very small.
Don't step too high so you won't step on her.
Okay.
And I'm not gonna be there for all that. On that shoulder.
And I have on Giuseppe's. I never had on no Giuseppe's, y'all. Woo, get me up out of here. I'm hot.
Oh my God, what's up? This is Felipe. We just finished an amazing fitting with the ADIATHON scenes. Oh my God, y'all just wait. I'll say that 3 times. Oh my God, it's like amazing. Wait till you see the carpet. She looks phenomenal. Her personality, the bits, everything is gonna be crazy. So y'all just stay tuned. ADIATHON. She wasn't supposed to come out. No, it's amazing.
Oh.
We look like cheetah girls, and I love that for us. I love it. I see a queen in the house, Lisa Page Brooks, y'all. Say yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. We love you, queen. And your bob is bobbing, baby. We love that. But I'm so proud of you. If you're proud of my girl Adia, I need you to make some noise to come down here. Come on, girl.
Beauty and Mars, what's up? Come on, are y'all having a good time tonight? I'm so excited to be here. This next artist can sing. Lachey Knox, where you at, girl? You look so cute. The people are about to be blessed. What you about to sing for us today?
Oh, my new record, Promises.
Okay, that's on period, y'all. Give it up for Lachey Knox.
Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Lachey Knox, and I came to let you know that God always keeps his promises. If you believe that, then let me see you wave your hand right there.
Yes, and her fur. Yes, ma'am. Are y'all enjoying this event? Come on, I love it. I love anytime women can get together and celebrate each other and just have fun. Everybody looks so beautiful. Yes.
It's your season. Shawty giving us stuff, but she failed. Searching for a king to hold it down. But it's time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. Yes, nice to meet
Y'all, it's been a day. It's been a day. Been an amazing day though. Very busy. Hallelujah. Busy hallelujah day. But now we're here now at the Amazon Unplugged, and hopefully we get ready to unplug some, enjoy some amazing music, have a good time, and have one more fitting before I get to finally take this makeup off and go to bed. So let's go. Fellas 2026, baby. Yeah. And we out, day 2.
this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come in. You turn it all around when life looks severe. In my heart.
I think
What's up, family? Great morning. It is pre-show day. Woo! Your girl is, as you can see, getting done up. Shout out to my girl Lasia on my head. Yes, ma'am. First time working with her, and she is so sweet. If you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, come and see it, babe. Because, yeah, she eats down, but her spirit is better. But yeah, we are getting ready to get ready for the pre-show. So excited. But the most important part of today is it's Charity's birthday.
Bow, 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 bow.
Bow, bow, bow. Yes, ma'am. Charity, how are you feeling today now that you're 43 years old?
Oh my gosh. That was insane.
You look beautiful.
She didn't know how old she was yesterday, if you guys.
Yeah, she forgot. I love it. But no, yeah, you guys, we're gonna have a great day. Of course, Karsten is behind the lens, and she's been extra excited and happy this morning. She did leave the room last night as well for a period of time, so I'm not sure exactly what she did. But we're gonna have a great day, and yeah.
She crazy. I ain't leave no room.
Day 3. Girl, hold on, let me put my topicals on. You know you ate that right on that. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see, sissy. Let me see, sissy. I love it, and I love you.
You make me keep your pins in all day for real.
No, I am going to.
Okay, good. Cause it's still cute the way she like. Oh, girl, yes.
Dude, you see what I'm saying? What lace?
See a goddamn.
Cause it ain't a goddamn thing. That's me. What you talking about?
Yeah, do the rehearsal. Okay. I'm assuming they're gonna go through the song too.
Yeah. I gotta wake up.
Then we leave from there. They want us to stay out there, but we can't. We gotta leave from there and go to the press run. Sirius XM and 102.5.
And 102.5. What time is Sirius XM?
That all that is like 12 to 1:30. So
You need to call in and ask her what time. Good morning, family. Hey, y'all. Hey, Pastor Tiffany. Y'all, I am just so full and honored to even be on here to be able to say anything this morning, y'all. Pastor Mike has just truly changed my life. And you know, I was so nervous because I'm like, what do I get on here and say, you know? And I'm like, you know what, for the first time, let me try not to just plan anything and just speak from the heart. Yeah, we'll be together tomorrow morning too. I don't know what time. We're gonna figure out the time. L'Oreal just got here and I'm getting ready to put my topicals back on because I did not have them on long enough. I forgot. I put them on right before Devo. Wasted a whole pack. But it's okay, I have more. Anyway, okay. Good morning, Lois here. I told you guys she was coming. I love her. She's already fussed 66 times. Very on brand for her. Good morning. Let me take my topicals off.
How long have it been on?
About 10 minutes.
Yeah. Don't rip them boys off.
I like them. I really want a topicals brand partnership. They do a lot of stuff with influencers, but I don't see them do anything with like Christian influencers. You know, I ain't putting no primer on or nothing.
That's what this is.
Oh.
Let her work.
Excuse me.
Right?
Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Just give me a call back.
My face tonight.
Answer. Good morning.
See you shortly.
Yes.
It's funny.
Good morning, Pookie Wookie Buddy Booty.
There's a lot of joy in the morning.
And you're not awake yet, so I'm gonna let you go back to sleep. But this is all I wanted.
Aw, love you.
We love
We'll
you.
see you soon.
See you later. Can't wait to see you. Bye. She's so cute. She says a lot of joy.
It's a lot more joy in the morning. That's funny.
I just love that she answers. Even Nikki. Before she says my face. She's getting excited and making noises. It's making me excited. Yeah. Do y'all see this? Hi. She said, y'all see this? And I was just sitting there. You looked at me like,
Do you want any shimmer on the cheeks? A little highlight or no?
literally love it. Periods. Who?
Clock it.
Who?
You look good.
Yep.
Alright, you guys, so we just finished rehearsals, so we gotta go do some press right quick. I'm gonna try to swing by Spotify. I really wanna go see Spotify. Then we gotta be back here and we have to try to do all of this in an hour and 12 minutes now. So let's see if we can do it. Oh, 12:48.
Do you have a number there? Yes, no.
Oh Lord, it's a free show, baby. It's happening tonight. Y'all shout out to the Target show. I'm so excited. Come out and rock with us. Alright, let's get it. Yo, we outside 41st year Stellar Awards.
Y'all already know.
Y'all already know how we coming. First of all, it's coming hot because, baby, I'm burning up. I just got my face beat. It's 100 degrees in Charlotte. Are you cool?
No.
No. No, actually. Literally valid. But yeah. Alright, like I told y'all, we finna go see if we can get some fresh candy.
Birthday girl.
Spotify in an hour. It's my sister's birthday. We're gonna have to figure out how to make it a good time for her. You feel like the hotel right there.
Come on, y'all. Praise 102.5, 610 a.m. I'm here with my blonde twin. Hey, twin. How are you? Adia is in the house.
Yes, ma'am.
All the fabulosity. Listen, you are taking over the Stellars this year.
I'm having so much fun. Queen City is lit.
Yes. Now,
Queen
you
City
left
lit.
us, but we'll talk about that in a little while. First of all, let's talk about these nominations.
Are you serious right now? I didn't know Adia was here.
You don't know who this is.
Oh my God. I'm just trying to I'm gonna give that.
I love them so much. Nice to meet you. Are you artists? I just love your mind. That's how show, just about to get ready to do our thing. Have fun, most importantly.
Made this moment never end. Can you look at the camera, please?
I thought we already
You got 2 minutes.
Production,
All right, well, go ahead and get it.
Okay, I want to thank you message. Can I read it, please? Because my speech was really bad last time.